For beginners who are learning stocks, you should know that the Indonesia Stock Exchange has 35 stock indices. Stock index is a statistical measure that reflects the overall price movement of a group of stocks selected based on certain criteria and methodologies and evaluated regularly. The objectives of the stock index include measuring market sentiment, benchmark for active portfolio used as passive investment products such as index mutual funds and index ETFs, as well as derivative products. Proxy for asset class on asset allocation. Proxies in measuring and modeling return on investment. Systematic risk and risk-adjusted performance. Below are two examples of stock indices that can be used as a reference for learning stocks for beginners. LP45 Index. This index contains 45 stocks that have been selected based on selection criteria, namely stocks with high market capitalization and liquidity from the total number of shares on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. In addition, the stocks available in this index are also supported by good company fundamentals. The selections of the LP45 shares list is carried out every 6 months. The following is a list of 10 LP45 stock indexes as of August 2020 from 45 stocks. IDX Quality 30, the next index that can be used as a reference for learning IDX stocks for beginners is IDX Quality 30. IDX Quality 30 measures the price performance of 30 stocks that have relatively good solvency, high profitability, and stable profit growth with transaction liquidity and good financial performance. The following is a list of 10 IDX Quality 30 stock indexes as of August 2020 from 30 existing stocks. So, the objectives of the stock index include measuring market sentiment, benchmark for active portfolio this month.